Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how Incom has integrated BombBomb Video Messaging to your website and how it can help you create personalized video messages for your clients. BombBomb is a video marketing platform that allows realtors to record and send personalized video messages to their clients and prospects. With this new integration, realtors can create engaging content such as property tours, market updates, or video emails that can help them build stronger relationships with their clients. Now let's get started. First, you want to go to your website, scroll all the way down, and log in. On your dashboard, click on Configuration. Next, click on Enable BombBomb Integration. Click Enable. Now, if you're already logged in your BombBomb account, it will simply ask you to allow the integration. Otherwise, it will now ask you to log in your account. Now click Continue. Then click Allow. To use your BombBomb videos in your emails, you can simply go to Communication, select Campaigns, click on Standalone Campaigns, then click Compose a single email campaign. Now select your template category. I'm just going to choose plain email. Select the layout. Now click Add BombBomb Video. You may choose to record a new video from your dashboard itself or select a video from your library. I'm going to use this recorded video as an example. Don't forget to write a subject for your email. Click Next. Now select the category or leads you wish to send this email to. Click Next. And finally, you simply need to schedule the email. Set your start date, start time, and the frequency. Then click Send. And you're done! You have now enabled the integration for your BombBomb videos on your Incom website. If you require further assistance, you may reach us at any of the numbers below or email us at support@incomrealestate.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well to catch our latest videos. Be sure to join us for our upcoming webinars every other Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We thank you and we wish you continued success.